I have something to plus verb is used to say that there is something you need to do. Examples: I have something to do tonight, so I can't go out with you. I have something to say to you. I have something to accomplish by the end of this month. I have something to tell your parents. Are they home now? I have something to explain to everyone. I have something to show you in the kitchen. I have something to finish at work. I have something to share with you. I have something to ask you and your wife. I have something to give to you tomorrow.